The Wenhu Line is the earliest operating line in the Taipei metro system and the only route that runs entirely within the city limits of Taipei. It is composed of the Muzha Line and the Neihu Line, featuring a total of 24 stations and 2 depots along its route. The previous episode introduced the overall structure of the Wenhu Line, its development history, the stations along the Muzha Line, and the Muzha Depot. This episode will continue with an introduction to the stations along the Neihu Line and the Neihu Depot. The Neihu Line includes the following stations along its route: Songshan Airport Station, Daji Station, Jiannan Road Station, Shihu Station, Gangjian Station, Wundern Station, Neihu Station, Dahu Park Station, Huzhou Station, Donghu Station, Nangang Software Park Station, and Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Station. The Neihu Depot is located near Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Station. Among these, Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Station serves as a transfer station to the Bannan Line. The nearby Neihu Depot provides services such as train maintenance, dispatching, and cleaning. In fact, the construction of the Neihu Line was approved by the Executive Yuan as early as 1993. However, due to public concerns about the elevated structure, the project was temporarily postponed. After thorough reviews, evaluations, and communication with the public, construction officially began in May 2002 and was completed and opened for service in July 2009. Songshan Airport Station is designated as BR13 and is located on Dunhua North Road. It began service in July 2009. The station features an exceptionally deep excavation, reaching a maximum depth of 32.2 meters, an uncommon scale in MRT construction. Due to the station's proximity to Taipei Songshan Airport, the tunnel section was constructed using a shield tunneling method to avoid affecting aircraft takeoffs and landings. To ensure that the airport's operations would not be disrupted during construction, the cut-and-cover method was used for the station box. Between Zhongshan Junior High School Station and Songshan Airport Station, the train route includes a steep V-shaped curve and slope. To maintain safety, trains travel at reduced speed along this section, allowing passengers to enjoy views of airplanes taking off and landing at the airport. Nearby landmarks include Taipei Songshan Airport and the Civil Aeronautics Administration, Ministry of Transportation and Communications. Exit 1 provides direct access to Terminal 1 for international flights. Songshan Airport Station is a 4-level underground station with 3 exits. The first basement level serves as the connecting passage, the second basement level is the concourse level, the third basement level is the mezzanine level, and the fourth basement level is the platform level. The station features one island platform equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Several public art installations are displayed both inside and outside the station, including the Era of Grand Travel, Wings Unfolded, Flight Plan, and Dream Flight. Daji Station is designated as BR14 and is located on Bayan Road. It began service in July 2009. The station is situated near the Straits Exchange Foundation. During construction, the section of the route between Songshan Airport Station and Daji Station was built using the shield tunneling method to pass beneath the main runway of Songshan Airport, where aircraft take off and land frequently every day. Despite the high difficulty and complexity of the engineering work, construction was successfully completed without disrupting airport operations. Daji Station is a 2-level underground station with 3 exits. The first basement level serves as the concourse level, and the second basement level is the platform level. The station features one island platform equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Jiannan Road Station is designated as BR15, with the secondary station name Miramar. It is located on Bayan Road and opened in 2009 with the launch of the Neihu Line. A future station on the under-construction North Circular Line is also planned at this location. Nearby is the Miramar Commercial District and Miranu Square, making it a major leisure and entertainment area in Taipei City. From Exit 1, visitors can reach Jiantan Temple and Jiannan Butterfly Trail, offering a serene and peaceful atmosphere for relaxation. Jiannan Road Station is a 4-level elevated station with a total of 3 exits. The second floor serves as a mezzanine, while the third floor functions as both the concourse and platform level. The fourth floor is the skywalk level, allowing passengers to switch travel directions. The station features 2 side platforms, each equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Neihu Station is designated as BR16, with the secondary station name Takming University of Science and Technology. It is located on Section 1 of Neihu Road and officially began service in July 2009. The station was developed in conjunction with the former Neihu Market area, making it a pioneering example of a metro station integrated with a traditional market. Exit 1 provides direct access to Neihu Market, where the first and second floors are filled with various vendor stalls, an ideal place for shopping. Neihu Station is situated near the Neihu Technology Park, which hosts many newly constructed office buildings and corporate headquarters. As such, it serves as a key commuter station for employees in the area. Neihu Station is a 4-level elevated station with 2 exits. The third floor serves as the platform level, while the fourth floor is the concourse level. Neihu Station features 1 island platform equipped with full-height platform screen doors. It is one of only 2 elevated stations on the Wenhu Line with an island platform and is the only elevated station in the Taipei metro system where the concourse is located above the platform. The station structure is also taller than other stations along the Wenhu Line. Public art installations include dancing butterflies within the station and crossing transformation on the exterior walls. Gangtian Station is designated as BR17 and is located on Neihu Road. It began service in July 2009. A public art installation titled Neihu Peach Blossom Land is displayed on the end wall by the staircase. Nearby landmarks include Neihu Vocational High School and the Neihu Technology Park. Gangtian Station is a 4-level elevated station with 2 exits. The third floor serves as both the concourse and platform level, while the fourth floor is the skywalk level, allowing passengers to switch travel directions. The station features 2 side platforms, each equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Wondern Station is designated as BR18, with the secondary station name Bihu Park. It is located on Wondern Road and began service in July 2009. Nearby landmarks include Neihu Senior High School. From Exit 1, it is about a 10-minute walk to Bihu Park, a community park centered around a lake, offering scenic views of both water and surrounding greenery. Wondern Station is a 3-level elevated station with 2 exits. The second floor serves as both the concourse and platform level, while the third floor is the skywalk level. The station features 2 side platforms, each equipped with full-height platform screen doors. A public art installation titled Flying Birds is displayed within the station. Neihu Station is designated as BR19 and is located on Nangang Road. It began service in July 2009. The station is integrated with the CityLink Neihu branch as part of a jointly developed building, making it a popular destination for shopping and leisure. Neihu Station is a 3-level elevated station with 2 exits. The second floor serves as both the concourse and platform level, while the third floor is the skywalk level, allowing passengers to switch travel directions. The station features 2 side platforms, each equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Dahu Park Station is designated as BR20 and is located on Nangang Road. It began service in July 2009. A public art installation titled Kite, Soaring in the Sky, is displayed in the open space near the station entrance. Nearby is Dahu Park, which has been ranked as one of the world's most beautiful parks by international reviewers. The park is known for its stunning lakeside scenery and is considered one of Taipei's top recreational destinations. Dahu Park Station is a 3-level elevated station with 2 exits. The third floor serves as both the concourse and platform level, while the fourth floor is the skywalk level. The station features 2 side platforms, each equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Huzhou Station is designated as BR21 and is located on Kongning Road. It began service in July 2009. It is the only station on the Neihu Line equipped with dual-arched soundproof walls, which provide better noise reduction than standard sound barriers. The station's interior design complements the local leisure environment, creating a relaxed and pleasant atmosphere. Nearby is the Shilin branch of the Administrative Enforcement Agency under the Ministry of Justice. Huzhou Station is a 4-level elevated station with 2 exits. The 3rd floor serves as both the concourse and platform level, while the 4th floor is the skywalk level, allowing passengers to switch travel directions. The station features 2 side platforms equipped with full-height platform screen doors. A public art installation titled Dance is displayed within the station. Donghu Station is designated as BR22 and is located on Section 3 of Kongning Road. It began service in July 2009. Because the station structure must cross Wufan Street Skywalk to the north and the Zhongshan Expressway to the south, it was designed with a height of 20 meters, making it the tallest station in the network and earning it the nickname Sky Peak MRT Station. Near Exit 3 is Onkong Park, and nearby landmarks include Nanhu Elementary School and Nanhu High School. Donghu Station is a 3-level elevated station with a total of 3 exits. The 2nd floor serves as the concourse level, and the 3rd floor is the platform level, featuring 2 side platforms. A public art installation titled Rippling Lake Waves is displayed on the wall at the ground level. Nangang Software Park Station is designated as BR23 and is located on Jingmao 2nd Road. It began service in July 2009. The station is named after the nearby Nangang Software Park. Exit 2 connects to a skywalk that links the CTBC Financial Park and Jingmao 2nd Road. Nangang Software Park Station is a 3-level elevated station with 2 exits. The 2nd floor serves as both the concourse and platform level, while the 3rd floor is the skywalk level, allowing passengers to switch travel directions. The station features 2 side platforms, each equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Station is a transfer station to the Bannan Line. It is located on both sides of Nangang Road and is designated as BR24 on the Wenhu Line, which began service in July 2009, and as BL23 on the Bannan Line, which opened in 2011. It is currently the most important transfer hub on the eastern side of the Taipei metro system and the only terminal station shared by 2 lines in the network. Outside the station is the Nangang Exhibition Center, which regularly hosts various exhibitions and events. Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Station is a 3-level station both above and below ground, with a total of 8 exits. The 1st floor above ground serves as the concourse level for the Wenhu Line, and the 3rd floor above ground is the Wenhu Line platform level. The 1st basement level is the transfer corridor, the 2nd basement level is the concourse for the Bannan Line, and the 3rd basement level is the Bannan Line platform level. Both the Wenhu Line and the Bannan Line feature 1 island platform each, and all platforms are equipped with full-height platform screen doors. Passengers at Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Station who wish to transfer to the Bannan Line can descend from the Wenhu Line platform level to the B1 transfer corridor, then continue down to the Bannan Line concourse level, and take the escalator to the 3rd basement level to reach the Bannan Line platform for transfer. Neihu Depot is the main maintenance facility for the Wenhu Line. It is located on Jingmao 1st Road in Nangang District, near Nangang Software Park Station, and officially began operations on July 4, 2009, with the opening of the Neihu Line. The depot is approximately 600 meters in length and 120 meters in width, covering an area of about 7.11 hectares. It contains 13 parking tracks and 1 maintenance track, with a capacity to accommodate 13 train sets. The depot's primary function is the maintenance and servicing of Wenhu Line trains. Its facilities include a maintenance workshop, train storage building, operations control center, E&M station, train washing area, undercarriage cleaning room, and a main power substation. The Wenhu Line is not only the first Taipei metro line to begin operation but also the world's first metro line to integrate and upgrade an existing system and rolling stock, a process akin to altering a garment while wearing it. This highlights the immense complexity of its construction, with many tasks only able to proceed after the Muzha Line ceased service late at night. The completion of the Wenhu Line not only alleviated traffic congestion in Neihu and the Neihu Technology Park but also shortened the distance, both in time and accessibility, between Neihu and the central districts of Taipei. As we enjoy the convenience brought by this metro system, we should sincerely thank the dedicated engineers and workers behind the scenes for their hard work and commitment.